maglalaro
guys.
tayo ng daycare.
Daycare story 2.
With my 2 cousins.
2 cousins.
And they have 3 tablets.
Yeah, so and we didn't join the other one because maybe she won't. Then
Wow, it's too pretty.
I played this dati. This is so cute.
Yeah. So we are
Di
this
ba door to
one.
dati? Door?
Yeah, door.
Door. Pero, ano yun daycare 1.
Oh.
Daycare 2 to.
Okay, wag kayo.
Tagalog. Okay.
Ikaw titintiyan.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go play this.
Hey!
Ang ingay
Hi
niya.
everyone. You finally
arrived.
arrived.
Shara. Shara.
My name is Sarah and
Oh.
I am very happy to all the new daycare. Let's head inside. It is cold out here. Why is she wearing
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, let's go.
Ay, sabi, let's go.
Sorry guys, my mom just like ding. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay,
Dito
go.
tayo, tabi-tabi tayo.
Dito.
Okay.
Ay,
Oh, dito. Wait, dito. Ano pa papanira? Dito, walang ganon.
why you Tagalog?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay lang naman.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah.
Let's play!
Okay, let's go play at the ball pit.
Oh, I'm gonna go play with my dog.
Oh yeah. Kalis drawing.
Stop exposing me.
Wag guys, baka malak kayo dyan.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't go to the backyard.
I'm
Go,
gonna go play
love.
with the Rubik's
One.
Cube.
Ate Rubik's.
Nasaan?
Ay, wala.
Where is it?
No, it's there nowhere.
It's dice.
It's dice wala. Rubik's Cube. Ooh, fun!
Wow.
Guys, pakinggan nyo.
Hey!
I'm gonna go play with the ball. Oh, someone's playing. I'm just gonna go draw.
I'm gonna go draw too.
I'm gonna swim in the fish tank.
Ah, someone's drawing. I'm gonna go play tic-tac-toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's now.
Who would like to play a game of soccer? I don't know how to
Me.
play soccer.
I know how to play soccer.
I do. Oh, Harley.
Huh? I do.
It's Harley. Yeah. Fama. Okay. Let's assign you to some teams. I wish.
Bro, red.
Ay, blue na ano ko.
Ano kapit?
Red. Ikaw.
Blue.
Red. Hello. Oh no.
I don't know how to play soccer.
How?
Tangan din natin, bro.
3-3. Ay.
Hala.
Go.
3-3 lang sila.
I don't know how to play soccer.
Ate!
Go. I'm helping to
Oh!
guys.
No!
Bipay, dito tayo. Harang. Bipay, dito tayo. Harang tayo.
I'm not gonna fight. I'm innocent like Rumi Huntrix 2020 basta.
Ate, ako magagano ikaw mangharang. No!
I did not help them.
Oh, she didn't help them. Oh, shit. Oh.
What did you say?
Oh, I said, oh, she. Yeah.
Oh my God.
No. Oh my God, no B. Oh my God! Ate! It's so lapit!
Hey! Not in our team.
Oh. It's okay, guys. It's okay.
It's just a game.
It's just a game.
Let's go back.
Go. Wait, I have to go into it.
I'm hungry. Happy Love is a big back.
Yeah, I'm a big back too. Big back.
Rumi
Let's go here. It's pantatlo. Here.
Oh, wait.
The what?
Doon tayo malapit sa door.
Sige.
Okay, this one. I'll go green.
Red.
Go green. My favorite green. Oh,
That's pink.
oh, nandito na
Hala,
tayo.
may sumama si Maybe. Okay lang yan?
It's okay.
Red lang
It's
naman.
okay.
Hala, I expect Tagalog.
It's okay. There's some Tagalog speakers. I'm gonna, ano pipili natin?
Sandwich.
I'm gonna pili the pizza.
Same.
Oh.
Guys, don't eat it.
Why?
Save for the last.
Okay.
Okay,
The
okay.
smubby is a big bag.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get more foods. Oh, my
Whoa. What is that
bad.
sound?
Sound.
Maybe it's the news.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always the news.
Okay, let's go.
Dito tayo, guys.
Oh. May katabi na si Pete.
Okay,
Dito tayo.
Where's the TV, bro?
it's right there. It's right there. 18?
In the lounge. Where's the lounge?
Not this one. It's this.
There.
It's this one.
Oh.
I think we lost some of our like stuff. Teammates. Oh.
Why did it count down?
Because there's a monster.
Yeah, Monster. Hi. Yeah. Breaking news.
Yun yung dating design,
Yes,
di ba?
Yeah.
the baker has been attacked by a big monster.
Yeah.
I know yan.
Reports say that the children have
It's
managed
me.
to escape.
It's me.
The what?
It's me.
Be aware, as the monster is followed by his loyal minions. Banana!
Banana.
If you see the monster, report it to the police immediately. Keep all doors and windows shut to keep safe. Huh? What's that?
Oh no!
Let's go to the
Oh my god!
Tataas ako. I'm gonna go up.
Ah!
We're going up. It's
jump
Behind the
lang kayo.
monster!
we're going up.
Let's go!
In case you're wondering, we're gonna make this fun.
Calm down, there is nothing to worry about.
Know what?
Guys, dito tayo.
Upstairs?
Something cabinet. Dito sa mga fish tank.
I
Sige.
know. I fell.
Sa may fish tank tayo, Pete. Sa may fish tank.
I fell.
Okay. Pipay dito. Ay, ate, dito tayo sa taas ng cabinet.
Oo nga. Asan cabinet? Asan yung cabinet?
They don't want to hear that. I followed the teacher.
No, don't go there.
Hey! What is that
What?
outside? Oh my god, it's the monster! Oh my god, it's the monster!
Okay. Wow. What are you gonna say?
Dude, that's gone away.
Let's go! Talon!
Where are you guys?
Baba tayo sa baba! Talon tayo sa baba! Talon tayo sa baba!
Talan!
Talon lang!
Uy, grabe kayo. May online kasi mami.
Ayan no.
Oh, sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Diyan tayo sa may
Headphones.
fish tank.
We're going
Fish tank.
up.
Dito.
Why did he not go here?
Hindi nga siya makaakyat doon. Tumanton pa kasi.
Wait lang. Sinustack ko.
Bisa mo!
Guys, sinak ko. Sinustack ko. Sinustack ko.
Hala!
Talon! We're not safe here pala. Oh no! Yeah! Go to the fish tank. Here.
Guys, save the camera! Save the camera, girl! Save the camera, girl!
Dito tayo.
Ito.
Save the camera!
Guys, kasi ba't ba kayo tumata dun sa fish tank?
I hate you, teacher!
Okay.
Ilan na health niyo?
Ate, sinabi mo, Sarah!
77.
We were being attacked. Attacked? By who?
Minions.
The monster.
Guys, ilan na health niyo?
77.
Kayo, ikaw?
Wait, saan mo nababasa?
74 sa kanya.
Ako 80.
I'm sure the news were not serious about that. Ikaw, try mo. Overreacting ka pa yung mukha mo.
You know, I screamed at the top of my lungs, you know. I screamed at the top of my lungs. We screamed to the top of our lungs. How are you not believing us?
How would you wanna wood chat?
How could you not hear us?
Wood.
Okay, stop.
Wood.
Ina.
Ay, guys.
Oh, sorry guys, copyrighted. Sorry, copyrighted.
What?
You just sang a
Let's
song.
go to... Ay, no.
Ina, girl.
Let's go, hurry up!
We're girl here.
What you would chat? If I would chat wood.
Ay, sama tayo lahat? Let's go.
Wood.
Okay, I'm gonna go here.
Kayong dalawa, ako dito.
Tapos doon ulit tayo mag-ano P5
Yeah.
ka lumabas.
Ah, hindi ako lumabas.
Ay.
Iba yun, katabi mo.
Wood chat. If I would chat wood.
Uy, hindi ako matulog. Okay, so, how did Miss Sarah didn't hear us when me and Ina just screamed in the top of our lungs?
Sarah was like this, putting her headphones on. Wood.
Ina, stop!
Why?
You're giving me copyrighted!
What is that?
Yung sinising mo ng song tapos tinitignan ni Kas. Hindi ikaw nagkikanta ng song.
Oh my God.
Hindi ikaw gumawa ng song. Okay? Makaban pa ako sa ganun. Sorry YouTube, sorry. I'm very sorry. For copyrighted.
Okay, I think wake up. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
It's
mga
not
bata.
good. It's not good. It's a bad morning.
I just
Downstairs. Okay. How
I
many
just-
days are we right now? 2 days na kay Sarah.
I just
Our mom is like,
okay.
what you?
What?
Ina, hurry up.
Where are you?
To the kitchen. Breakfast na, diba? Sabi.
What are we having today? I smell pancake. Oh my God! This is the pancake. Pancakes! I love pancakes. How did the game know?
Wow, this.
Wait, I still have my sandwich.
Me too. I have my pizza.
Eat it. For your health. The pizza, bro!
Oh,
Oh, the pizza.
I mean the sandwich.
Yeah, pizza and sandwich. It can be your health.
Oh my God, naubos. Ubusin ko na
Mine
din itong
too.
pancake ko.
Wag.
95 eh.
Okay lang yan.
I have finished eating. Nawala yung pancake ko.
Your
Wala,
pancake.
tayong tatlo na lang natira. Ay, apat pa.
I have some. Does that mean we can play now? Yep. Have fun, everyone. Okay. Let's go.
No waiting, go!
I'm gonna go draw.
What's this? Guys, I think dito na lang tayo mag-hide mamaya.
Saan?
Sa under ng slide.
Sige.
Nakapunta ba siya dito?
Hindi.
I'm not fitted.
Hindi, kasi ganito. Ganyan. ate.
Oo. Safe pala, safe. Bro, I'm not fit.
Maybe si guys
Di
kung
ba,
fit
Dito na
ako.
tayo, Pay. Dito tayo. Kasi pupunta na yung monster eh.
Pipay, akin na.
Ayun, Pay.
Hala, umalis ka pa, Pate. Akin na. Okay na, Pate. Okay na, Pate. Ay, ayaw mapasok ni Pate. Siya, iyak siya. Pipay, mag-flat ka nga pag ano na. Ano na?
Kung mo yung camera mo yun eh.
Gano'n na.
Akin na, Pay.
Oh, what food? Hindi ako sanay sa akin.
Huwag ka dyan. Dito ka sa kabila dumaan.
What food? Wawawut, chat. If I would
Yung ina! Excuse me nga.
Ay, Pip, ate. Ano tayo? Back up.
Yan.
There.
Kasi kayo eh.
Away mo here!
We need to talk about the monster. which
Doon na tayo,
attacks
dito
us
tayo. Baka
very
lumabas.
early.
We're gonna go!
Bakit nasa dito tayo?
Ano
I
si
forgot.
Sarah naging ano?
Dito tayo! Huwag kayo mo po!
Ay. You're silly.
Bro.
Oh! Don't. Sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, I won't do that again. Damn!
With his minions!
Pusha!
The minions are breaking in!
Sorry. What the?
Sarah.
Doon tayo up.
I hear footsteps.
Bawal lumabas.
What's that monster? Oh, that's the monster pala.
At the elevator!
Go be by here.
Wait lang! Ayaw! Hana! Take your phone.
Down out?
Mm.
May monster.
Nagbibideo kami. OMG! Wait, I have to pause this. Wait.
Sa baby daycare center?
Oh, sorry guys. I just paused it.
What you eating? Ano kinain mo?
Oh!
Sa likod tayo ni Sarah. Para siya yung mamatay.
Sa gilid na lang tayo. Ano to? Takbo!
Dito tayo.
Hindi ako okay. I'm not okay.
What
Kahit
is
naman.
this place? Takbo lang tayo. Why?
Dito lang tayo sa may dulo.
Or is she the monster?
Go!
We fell.
Fell in love. Joke lang.
We need to get out of here.
What?
I'm getting out of here.
Hindi nyo ako hinintay.
Bye-bye.
Ay. Sige nga, sama lang ako sa guys. Santa little helper.
These builders are blocking the path. What if we go this way?
Guys, sana solo tayo. Hindi pala tayo nakatay. Ayun no. Ayun.
Diba?
Ano ko na?
Kunin niyo
Go. What a good job, good job.
Hindi yan drawing daw.
Bakit?
I forgot mine.
Hmm?
I forgot mine.
The what?
Guys, sakay tayo.
Sige.
Sakay tayo dito sa train!
Bye! What am I first? Oh, I forgot.
Bakit?
I'm the camera.
So, bilis, wait.
Whoa.
Uy, ina.
Ano?
Hey, bilisan niya. Hey, be faster.
It's because, not because you're the camera girl, ano, tita. Doesn't mean.
Hawakan niyo yung ano niyo. Bilisan niyo, guys. OB na naman.
Uh-oh.
Yan na, OB. Uy, dapat walang mahuhulog,
This is
ah.
our only way out.
Dapat walang magpapahulog, ah.
Okay. Ipay, huwag magpahulog ka. The rocks are falling.
Dahan-dahan lang kayo, ah. Masyado dapat mabilis.
Mahulog na ako ng isa.
Ayan na yung laban. Yan, very good. Inawag ka dyan. Oh.
Ipay, huwag ka dyan.
If I go here. Go.
Siya, pintahan ko. Ate, huwag ka tumalon.
Go, let's go, everybody. Let's go.
Para bang
Ipay!
tulad si ate.
Go to the tree.
Find shelter, find shelter.
There. Ipay, hurry up! We're gonna die on here.
Okay, I found shelter.
Dito tayo sa green.
Sa green tayo, Pip. Pipay, where are you?
Dito tayo sa pink, Ina.
Sige. Hala, mamamatay ako mo. Sa green ba?
Ilan na lang health nyo?
71, ikaw? I don't think the rain will stop anytime soon.
Guys, kainin nyo yung ano nyo.
Ano?
Yung pancake.
Wala na. Bye. Follow the path now. Bye. Doon ulit sa ano, tent.
Dito tayo sa green. Yan. Haba na. Wala, nagpapatay si ano. Nagpapatay. Huwag kayo magpapatay ah.
Okay. Ay, muntik na ako matay dun sa ano.
Ina, tumingin ka kasi sa dinadaanan mo.
Apat na lang yung ano natin.
Hipay, wag na.
Ipay, wag na.
Ina kasi.
Health beans.
Guys, kunin nyo yung health.
Ano?
Kinuha ko lang.
Okay.
Kunin nyo yun ah, yung... Ay, dito ka. Huwag kayo pupunta sa fire, mamamatay kayo.
Ano yung beans? Sa ano nakuha?
Andyan, sa may gilid. Sige, inumin nyo ng inumin.
Wala, namatay na ako.
Yun pala yung daan.
Bye!
Back to lobby.